In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix. This quick and straightforward tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to make changes to their website's content on Wix. Whether you're a business owner eager to update your product descriptions, a blogger refining your articles, or simply wanting to experiment with web design. We'll guide you through every step, ensuring you feel confident and capable once we're done. First, we're going to open the Wix website editor. Head over to the Wix website and log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the site that you wish to edit. For this example, we're using a site named Another Clothing, but you can follow along with your own site. Just click on the site's title, which will open up the website editor interface. The Wix website editor is powerfully intuitive, but it might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance. Rest assured, after working through this tutorial, some of this initial confusion will disappear, and you will start feeling more at home in this environment. Now that you have located the text you want to edit on your web page, it's time to get a bit more hands-on. Move your cursor over to the specific text box you want to change and double-click on it. Wix makes this part easy. By double-clicking, you're effectively telling the editor that you'd like to make some changes. This action will highlight the text and open an editing box where you'll be able to modify your content. Next, look for the Edit Text button that appears on your screen. Click on it and you'll notice a rich text editor panel popping up. This panel is your main workspace for editing the content. Here you can adjust the text to fit your needs, and the options available will allow you to do a whole range of things. Change the font size, alter the color, and modify the alignment. You can also apply different text styles to highlight parts of the text, like bolding or italicizing your words for emphasis. It's all about customizing until your text looks exactly how you visualized it. Once you've made your text edits, it's always a good idea to preview them. You can do this by switching to preview mode. It's a simple toggle you'll find at the top of the Wix editor. This ensures that the text appears just right on the actual web page, as well as meets your expectations. When you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to publish your site. This step is crucial, as it will update the live version of your website so visitors can see the changes. And that's it, you've successfully edited your text on Wix. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful and empowering. Whether it's making small tweaks or big overhauls, Wix's user-friendly interface makes it possible for everyone to control their web presence with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.